All right, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's the weekend and not that much fun to do homework, but this is how our unit for our systems of equations is going to run. You're going to do something at home or note-taking, and then in class we're going to practice. Today's video is the only video that's going to be a little bit longer than normal, so just bear with me because we're going to do 2 topics instead of just 1. All right, so we have all our notebooks set up. So you can go at your own pace if you'd like. You can kind of go faster or stay on pace. It's totally up to you. So if you know you have something coming up that you don't want to do homework that night, that's totally fine. All right, so our first one is we're just going to talk about what a system of equation is. And a system of equation is a set of 2 or more equations using the same variable conjoined, I don't think that's how you spell the word conjoined, I don't have you guys here help me, with a bracket. Okay. And what I really like most about system of equation is the solution, meaning the answer, is the point where your 2 equations intersect. So just where they cross is really. So our first setup is we're going to look at the equation. So we have y equals x minus 2. So I'm just going to go graph this. So I'm going to go -2. Slope you'd say is up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. I don't have a ruler next to me, which would make my life so much easier right now. So there's that purple one. So I'm going to have that in purple. This equation I'm going to do in green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. And our solution is going to be where our line crosses, which this ordered pair is 3, 1. So that is the solution. And we know that makes sense because 1 equals 3 minus 2, 1 equals 1. And we know 1 equals -2 times 3 plus 7, so -6 plus 7 equals 1. So these points equal both. All right, knowing that, we're going to go to our second one, and all we're going to do is just find our solution. So remember again where we cross, and our line right here is 4, 8. And we're going to go where we cross again, and our order pair is -7, 3. And now for our table, we just need to know where our intersection, where our y's are the same. And right here we have -11, -11, so my order pair is 2, -11. Over here we have 12 and 12, so -3, 12. So that's the solution to systems of equation, and that's with graphing. And tonight you're gonna, or this weekend, whatever time you're listening to this, we're gonna do more graphing. So here's another graph solution. All right, so knowing this, we want to first solve and get into function form, which helps us so much. Remember, y equals mx plus b. So my equation right here, already in slope-intercept form. So I'm just going to go graph this guy. So I'm going to go -1, and I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 2, 1, 2, 3 over 2, down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 2, 1, 2, 3 over 2, 1, 2, 3 over 2. And we're going to draw our line just so. And now I want to get this into slope-intercept form first. So I have 4y minus x equals 16. I could also use x and y intercepts for this, but let's just, I wrote my equation, so let's keep going. So I have 4y equals x plus 16, divided by 4. So I know my equation should be 1/4 x plus 4. So I'm going to go to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and my slope is +1, so up 1 over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I love it when they're so easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're just going to find our solution is where our lines cross, so we're going to look for the point of intersection, and my point of intersection is 4, 5. All right, on your own, what you're going to do next is our 3 sheets here. If you look below on this blog post, you're going to answer the solutions for all 3 by yourself. Good luck!